Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting because I have this month, so September's subscription for the Glitterfairy. I get very excited when I receive glitter, as you will all know. But with this one, as it's a subscription, you don't know what you're getting. So I've not watched anybody who has received this because I like a surprise. So I'm just going to get in. When I see the purple baggy thing, I was so excited. So I was like, you know what? Let's make a video and we will open this together. So I will be careful because I know there are what do you call it, like a password on there. Something smells absolutely amazing. Sassy B, coconut and coral flower. That smells I love that. It's like as if I was gonna swear and I got a beep. It was a car. Oh, I think it's a soap. Oh, how cute is that? That smells unreal. Oh, how cute. Oh, I really love that. Never heard of Sassy B, but that is beautiful. Oh, I really like that. How adorable. So, got my little invoice. So yeah, this is the VIP subscription, Revamp for Summer 2019, VIP Diamond Glitter Fairy UK. Oh, I love this soap, you know that? That smells unreal. I like that a lot. So, oh my God, I love this so much. I'm like a child. Okay, so let's start with this one. Burgundy. You know, these deep reds, these plummy colours, I'm a big fan of. My husband, when I used to paint my nails or I didn't know what colour to go for, I'd always ask him and he would say oxblood, which is a deep dark red. So I am 100% sure he will approve of these. Oh, these are cute. So these are burgundy leaves. Oh, aren't they lovely? Oh, wow. Oh, I really like them. And the colour is just everything. Oh, really, really love that. Let me put that back in its little baggie. I love that colour so much. Okay, so we've got mix one. This is VIP September 2019. That, I hope it's coming out on camera because the lighting's very shit, even though I've got my light on and it's quite sunny today. But I don't know. But anyway, this is like a burgundy or plummy glitter with, excuse me, how rude, with some gold in there. Oh, I love this. Is just beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous. Do you know, I don't have any glitter like this at all. The amount of glitter I've got, I should, but honestly I don't. This is stunning. Really, really love that. Gorgeous. And then mix 2, again, is that, she's calling it burgundy. Yeah, we say it's like a Plum E Burgundy colour with, again, gold. Oh, there's something in there. What is that? Are they leaves? Let's try and get one out. Let's not use my finger. Take a tweezer. Oh yes, look, they're like gold leaves. How cute. That is amazing. I love that. That is just, I'm not showing you, that is everything. That is beautiful. You know what? I got sent from Faye these water decals. So I am thinking to use these leaves with the water decals. Oh yes. Nice. So yes, that is mix 2. I am so happy with that. I love that so much. Look at this. You can smell it. So, so beautiful. What a cute touch. Okay, so this is Crystal Chrome Pigment. And it is Firebird. What a cute name. Oh, I love this. Do you know, I feel like it's like it's Christmas. This is beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. That is stunning. Let's open you. You see that on the lid? Oh my god, I could eat it. I'm not going to. That'd be disgusting. That is stunning. I love that a lot. Oh, then we've got Super Fine. Oh, this is just beautiful. This is, I think, like, is it a red or an orange with gold? Move my light over. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that sparkle. Beautiful. And then we have Wreath. Well, this is nice. This is red with holographic. You can see blues, greens, gold, red. This is from the Sin collection. Oh. Look at that baby. That is just gorgeous. So beautiful. Let's Let me put these back here. And then we have Cloud 9 Crystal Chrome Pigment. I love a bit of pigment. Yeah, so this is the Crystal Chrome Pigment in Cloud 9. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see that? Stunning. Love a lot. Then we have spider netting. Not a fan of netting, to be honest. I have to say I'm not a fan. I mean, I've got some, I don't use it, but I should. Oh wow. Well, this is beautiful. When you get quite a lot as well. Oh, that's quite funky, isn't it? Oh. Oh, I really like that. Ooh, I say, I've never seen anything like that. That is cute. Pop that back in. And then we have Pride. This is, again, the Sins collection. That's gorgeous. Oh, and I can see a butterfly. Is that a butterfly? So this is like purple with lilac. And then there's some blue. What are they called? Oh my goodness. Some blue. What are you? Hexagons, that's it. And then there's these like purpley lilac butterflies. Oh my goodness, that is just everything. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, do you know, Glitterfairy never disappoint me. This is only the second subscription, monthly subscription that I've got, and I love so much. Okay, now lastly, I feel quite sad this is my last one. So this is Sparkle Gold Fine Net. Oh, look how glittery that is. Cute. Love anything that is glittery. Try and open it up to show you. I can still smell that soap. It's unreal. So here you get a fair size. That's really beautiful as well. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then we have September V.I.P 2019 Mix 3. Oh my, I love it so much. That is beautiful. You know, gold and black, my two favourite colours. But then I love these plummy colours. Gold and black on a nail is just everything. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Stunning. That is just so beautiful. Love it, love it. My God. This again, Sin, so I was going to say Sin colours or something like that. Sin collection anyway. Gluttony. Oh, that's cute. So this is like a super fine pink glitter. And it has loads of different size circles. So there's blue, orange and green. and gold. Oh, I really like that. That's very funky. Oh, and it's got some of that, I don't know what they call it, like, my friend Steph calls them, angel pubes or unicorn pubes. I don't know, they're like what are they called? Flitters, or, well, they're like strands, these pink strands. Oh, and there's some silver circles as well. That is gorgeous. Oh, I feel upset now. I've come to the end. I love these. Excuse me. Really, 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 really love this. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have hours and hours of fun. And this little soap, what a cute little touch. This smells unreal. Smells absolutely unreal. Anyway, my dear darlings, I'm going to go now. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'm trying to think what else I could say. Not a lot, really. No. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and you will see me in my next video. Take care. Big kisses from me. Bye.